Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in into my video about snippets. This is something I found super helpful in my phase 2 journey, especially with a lot of these components having the same structure. I just figured there has to be like a shortcut to maybe like save time, especially like on the code challenges or on these projects. Whatever way to save time can help you overcome those like challenges and get past those basic deliverables ASAP. So yeah, let's dive into it. So just to give a preview of what snippets is, you're gonna link a block of code to a keyboard shortcut. And for me, I have this as CC for class component. See how it lights up? I press enter and then bam. All I have to do is just type in app, which is a file name. And then I have the whole structure ready to go in a matter of seconds. So we have the import React at the top. We have the function with the class name, or with the class name for the component, and then we have a return in the parentheses, and we have the export default app as well. So let's dive into it. I can show you guys how to set this up. So the first step is going to be right clicking anywhere on the screen and then just clicking command palette. And then from here, we're going to type in user snippets. And then once you get to once that pops up, you can press enter. And then what you get is a list of all the languages here. So that's really cool because once you start working, you want to create different snippets for different languages. It gives you the choice to choose one. You're going to be clicking javascript.json. Even though there's a React, I found it a little difficult to get that working. So once you find JavaScript, you want to click that. And then for me, I already have this set up. You might see like a block of code with a lot of comments. So what I would do is I would delete all of that and then paste in this. And I'll have this saved as like the comment to the app.js so that you guys can access my GitHub, copy this, uncomment it, and then just paste it into the snippet. So just to break it down, the class component is the name of the snippet. So this is going to be unique. And then the prefix is this keyboard shortcut that you're going to create. So for me, I did CC to match class component. You could change this to double backticks. Double backticks. You can change it to maybe double dots or double periods. But I find CC to be best for me because a lot of words don't really have CC back to back as well. And yeah, here we see that we have the structure of the code that we want for the body. And here, one thing cool is if you have this, it looks like interpolation. Don't quote me on that. I'm new to snippets as well, so I would definitely recommend you guys dive into this, see how much you can get out of this, and because saving time is super important, especially down the road once projects get super complicated. The last thing you want to do is spend 10 minutes setting up the backbone of your project when you can set that up in the matter of seconds. It just seems like having the same number, I guess links the, I guess that's the variable in a sense, so it lights up and blinks. And then description, you can just make that whatever. And what's cool is you can actually create another component. So down the road, some of you guys might see use state already, but we need to have this part to be imported into React in order to use the component use state. So what we can do is, actually, let's copy this over, paste this in, and then we can change this to use state component. And maybe we can change this to SS. We need to import this, so we can just pop this in right here. Then we see that all we did was just add the use state and imported that, and then everything should be good to go. Once I save that, come back over here. I can type in the keyboard shortcut that I linked to the use state, press enter. Yeah, and then we're good to go. Just name it whatever, depending on the component you named it in the file. And then, so that's my cup of tea of how to use snippets. I hope you guys found it super helpful. Again, I'll have this uploaded on GitHub, so all you have to do is just copy and paste this into the snippet and then comment it. But I'll be on Slack. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Good luck on Phase 2, guys.